I'm here at the fence, the gate, and as you can see, we're walking down. There's a lot of erosion from the winter months. But the trail goes to not very much further before I hit water. And you can see here, this is the wetlands retention area. I'm going to try to see if I can find the boardwalk. I think I am seeing some of the wood from the boardwalk, or at least the water flows differently in the area where the boardwalk is usually. Hopefully it's under there. I'm going to use a stick to measure how deep the water is in this particular spot, which is right in front of the hay. Ooh, it broke. Let's try it again. So probably about 4 or 5 inches right. I'm on top of the hay bale now. Still looking for the boardwalk, which I do think is under there. You can see where I'm standing. And on the other side of this, it's much deeper, I believe. You can see the same stick is quite a way down. Probably good 12, 14 inches. And this is the area of our outdoor classroom usually, in this area. Where we sit along the bank. The water has probably dropped 6 inches or more, judging by where the watermark is on this tree. You can also see some of the other trees where the watermark was.